Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the chapter Solutions of Class 8. In this chapter, we are going to study about the topics components of solution, concentration of solution, saturated solution, supersaturated solution, and the glowing crystal. So let's discuss about it.
The figure shows different type of solutions. There are many instances where solutions are made use of. Some solutions are given in the table given below. Analyze the table. Have you analyzed the table? Is there any relation between the state of the solution and that of the solvent? In most of the cases, the physical state of the solvent and the solution are the same. How do we decide the solvent and the solute in a solution? The two components of solution are solute and solvent. The constant present in smaller amount is considered as the solute, whereas the constant present in larger amount is considered as the solvent.
Take equal amount of water in two glasses. Add some colored powder to the first glass and stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon of colored powder in the second glass and stir it well. Can you observe any difference in the color of the solutions in two glasses? What is the reason for the difference in the color of the solution in two glasses?
The reason for the difference in the color is due to the higher concentration of the solute. So, concentration of a solution refers to the amount of the solute dissolved in a fixed amount of solvent. A solution containing a small amount of solute is known as diluted solution, and that which contains large amount of solute is known as concentrated solution. Based on the solubility, solutions can be classified as saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. The solution obtained by dissolving maximum amount of solute at a given temperature is known as saturated solution. Example of saturated solution is carbonated water. The solutions before reaching saturation is known as unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solutions can dissolve more amount of solute. Example of unsaturated solution are sodium chloride in water. The amount of a solute in grams required to convert 100 gram of a solvent into a saturated solution at a given temperature is known as the solubility of the solute in that solvent.
Solution which contain more amount of solute than that is required to saturate it is known as supersaturated solution.
The nature of the solute and the temperature are the two factors that influence solubility. This table shows the solubility of certain substances at 30 degrees Celsius. This graph connects the solubility and the temperature of certain salts. Observe the graph carefully. Which substance shows maximum increase in solubility as temperature increases? Potassium chloride shows maximum increase in solubility as temperature increases. Which salts have the same solubility as a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius? Sodium chloride and potassium chloride are the salts which have the same solubility as a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Which substance shows a decrease in solubility with increase in temperature? The answer is calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is a substance which shows a decrease in solubility in the graph with increase in temperature. And the last question is, prepare a note on the influence of temperature on the solubility of substances. From the graph, we can understand that in case of most of the substance, as the temperature increases, solubility of substance also increases. The solubility of any given solute depends on the temperature of the solution. Solubility of solutes like salt increases with an increase in temperature, whereas the solubility of substance like calcium sulfate decreases as the temperature increases. Examples of effect of temperature on solubility of substance are potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, etc. Have you observed this video? Here in this video, when a solute crystal is placed in a supersaturated solution, the excess of the solute crystallizes as small crystals. The crystals can be seen to grow as well.
So let us conclude the whole content. In a solution, the constant present in smaller amount is known as the solute and the constant present in larger amount is known as the solvent. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in fixed amount of the solvent. A solution which contains smaller amount of solute present in the solution is known as diluted solution, and the solution which contains larger amount of solute present in the solvent is known as concentrated solution. Saturated solution is the solution which dissolves maximum amount of solute at a particular temperature. The solution before reaching saturation is known as unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution contain maximum amount of solute than that is required for saturation is known as supersaturated solution.
Let us review our understanding. The first question is define saturated solution. Second question is what is the relation between temperature and the solubility of the substance. Third question is what are the factors which influence the solubility. And the last question is define supersaturated solution. How will you prepare a supersaturated solution of common salt? Unsaturated and supersaturated solutions of copper sulfate are prepared in separate beakers and a crystal of copper sulfate is dipped into each one of them. What would be the observation after a day? Give reasons.